Hello, students! In this video, we will learn about punctuation marks. Let's learn together. Punctuation is a collection of marks used to define sentence boundaries, separate ideas, and clarify meaning. They're essential in helping readers follow the flow of the text and emphasize important information. Now, let's look into common punctuation marks. First is semicolon. This connects two closely related independent clauses. For example, Shelley studied hard. However, she still struggled with the test. Then M-. This indicates a sudden change in thought or adds emphasis. For example, the results were unexpected, a complete surprise to everyone. Next is the colon. This introduces a list or explanation. For example, here's what you'll need for the trip: sunscreen, water, and snacks. Another is apostrophe. This shows possession or forms of contractions. For example, the cat's toy is missing. Lastly, we have quotation marks. This is used for direct speech or titles of short works. For example, "to be or not to be" is one of Shakespeare's most famous lines. Let's look into common punctuation differences. Colon introduces a list or explanation. For example, the recipe requires sugar, eggs, and flour. Semicolon connects two related independent clauses. For example, she was excited about the trip. Her bags were already packed. Comma separates items in a list or joins clauses with a conjunction. For example, I bought apples, bananas, and oranges. Now let's understand the sentence structures. First is the complete sentence. A group of words with a subject and predicate that forms a complete idea. For example, the sun sets in the evening. Then, sentence fragment. An incomplete sentence lacking a subject or verb. For example, running through the park. Lastly, we have run-on sentence. Two or more complete sentences combined without proper punctuation. For example, I went to the store, I bought some groceries. Now let's learn the ellipses. These are used to indicate a pause, omission of words, or suspense. For example, she started to speak but then paused, unsure of what to say next. Now it's your turn to answer. Identify the punctuation error. Shelley loves hiking, Jack prefers cycling. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.